James. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way to access the web version of Google Drive on your computer. At the moment you normally have to fire up your browser and go to drive.google.com to access it, but what you can actually do is install this interface on your computer. So once you're in Google Drive, look in the address bar and you'll see a plus icon. Click on plus and hit install. You can see Google Drive is now popped open on my computer, reopened in its own window. It's also pinned onto my taskbar at the bottom. This is likewise with a Mac. So if I right click on it, I can actually say pin to taskbar, so it always stays there. So if I close Google Drive now, and I want to go back to Google Drive quickly because I want to access a file, if I click on the Google Drive icon, Google Drive web version will now open on my computer without needing the whole of Google Chrome and the rest of the browser to open, and I can quickly find a file that I want to work on, click open, and I'm in it straight away without having to navigate to Google Drive each time. So that's a simple way you can pin or install Google Drive onto your computer and use it quickly and easily when you need to.